Hello students, this is Unisha Goswami representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today in this video we are going to study the remaining part of chapter number 2, that is Roman numerals. Now students, let us study conversion of Roman numeral to Hindu Arabic numeral. Now this conversion we will study with the help of the rules. Now the first rule is, if a smaller number is to the left of a larger number, subtract the value of the smaller number from the larger number. Now let me explain this rule with the help of an example. If I have written XL, now this X means 10 and L means 50, this means 10 and this means 50. Now this is the smaller one and this is the larger one. Now if a smaller number is written to the left of the larger one, then what I have to do? I will subtract this 10 from L, that is 50 minus 10. So it will be 40. Therefore, XL means 40. Okay, now let's see rule number 2. Subtract only the values of letters I, X and C. Values of V, L and D cannot be subtracted. For example, if I have to write 45 in Roman form, how will I write? First of all, I will write L, that is 50, and then subtract 10 from it. So for which I have to write X on the left hand side of L, that means this is 40 and then add 5 to it. So this will be 45. I cannot write 45 like this, L, V, VL, means I cannot subtract V from L, because the rule 2 says values of V, L and D cannot be subtracted. So this way of writing 45 is not correct and this way of writing 45 is correct. Now the third point is, subtract the value of only a single smaller numeral from a single bigger numeral. For example, if I have to write 8, how will I write? I will write 8 like this, V, I. This will be 5 plus 3. I cannot write 8 like this. I cannot subtract 2 from 10. Because I can subtract this 1 from 10 only one time. I cannot subtract it 2 times. So 8 is not equal to this one. Okay. So this is the correct way of writing 8. Okay. Now student, let us see the fourth rule. Now the fourth rule is, do not subtract a numeral from another numeral which is more than 10 times greater. That is, I can be subtracted from V and X, but it cannot be subtracted from L, C, D and M. This you have to keep in mind. Now the fifth rule is, if a smaller number is to the right of a larger number, add the value of the smaller number to the larger number. Now let us see this with the help of an example. If I have to write 11, how will I write? I will write 10 and then add 1 to it. So this will be 11. 10 plus 1, so it will be 11. The sixth rule is, if the number has more than 2 letters, add the value of each letter to find the number. Now let us consider this number L, X, V, I. See, how will I write it? L means 50, so 50 plus 10 plus, now this will be 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. So this will be 67. Therefore, this is 67. Students, now let us see conversion of Hindu Arabic to Roman numeral. Now see numbers 1, 2, 3. How will I write these numbers in Roman form? 1 is written like I, 2 is written like 2 I's, 3 is written like this, 3 I's. Now to write 4, how will I write 4? Now see, 4 is less than 5. So to write 4, I have to subtract 1 from 5. Then only I will write 4 now. To write 4, I have to subtract 1 from 5. Now 5 is written like V in Roman form and 1 is written like I. So to write 4, I will subtract 1 from V. So I will write I on the left hand side and V on the right hand side. So this is 4. Now this is 5. To write 6, 7 and 8, how will I write 6? I will add 1 to V, so this will be 6. To write 7, I will add 2I to V, so this will be 5, 6, 7. To write 8, I will add 3 to V. So this will be 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now as you know, 10 is written like this. To write 9, since 9 is less than 10, so to write 9, how will I write 9? I have to subtract 1 from x. So this will be 9. To write 11, how will I write? I will add 1 to x. So this will be xi. This is how you have to convert the Hindu Arabic numerals to Roman numerals. Students, now let us see question number 1 given on page number 20 of your book. Now question number 1 is convert the following Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numerals. Now you are given the number in Hindu Arabic form, you have to convert them to Roman numerals. Now A part is 15, 1, 5. Now how will you convert this into Roman numerals? See, this is 15, so this will be 10 plus 5. So we can write it like this, xv, because this is 10 and this is 5. Now B part is 49. So how will you write 49? See, add 9 to 40. So this will be ix. So this is 49. Okay, now let us see the C part. Now C part is 103. See, now this is 103, that means 100 plus 3. So how will we write 100 in Roman form? We will write C and then add 3 to it. That is, we will write 3 i's. So this will be CIII. That is 103. Okay students, now let us see question number 2. Now question number 2 is convert the following Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numbers. Now you are given the following Roman numerals, you have to convert them to Hindu Arabic numbers. Now question number 2 is, now let us see A part, XIV. Now see, this is 10 and this is 4. This is 10 and this is 4. So this will be 10 plus 4, that is 14. Okay students. Now let us see B part. Now B part is LXII. See, now this is 50, this is 10 and this is 2. So this will be 50 plus 10 plus 2, which is 62. Now let us see I part. Now I part is CD. Now D here is 500 and C here is 100. Now C is written on the left hand side, that means we have to subtract 100 from 500. So it will be 500 minus 100, that is 400. Okay student, this is how you have to do the remaining part of question number 2. Okay students, now let us see question number 3. Question number 3 is find the value of the Roman numerals. Now in this you have to do the addition of the Roman numerals. Now A part, let us see question number 3, A part. Now A part is L, X, 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 I, V plus X, X, V, I. Now see, first of all let us write the separate Roman numerals. Now this is L, which is 50, this is X, that is 10. So 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now we are having 10 how many times? 3 times, and this is 4. So this will be 50 plus 10, 60, 70, 80 and 84. Now this will be x plus x, that is 10 plus 10, and this is 6. So this will be 26. So this is 84 and this is 26. Now 84 plus 26 is how much? 4 plus 6 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11, 110. That means I have to write 110 in Roman form. Now to write 110, I will write it like this, 100 plus 10. Now 100 is C and I have to add 10. That means I have to put x on the right hand side. So this will be 100 plus 10, that is 110. Okay, now let us see the G part. Now G part is XL minus XIX. Now in this you have to do the subtraction of Roman numerals. This is 50 and this is 10. So 50, now x is written on the left hand side, so 50 minus 10 is 40. And this is 10 and this is 9. So 10 plus 9 is 19. So 40 minus 19 is how much? 21. To write 21 in Roman form, how will I write? I will write 2x and then add 1 to it. So this is the Roman numeral of 21. Hence the answer is 21. This is how you have to do the remaining part of question number 3. Okay students, now let us see question number 6 given on page 21 of your book. Now question number 6 is change the Hindu Arabic numerals to Roman numerals and solve the following. Write the answer in Roman numerals. Now this is question number 6 given on page number 21 of your book. Now question number 6 we are doing B part. 50 minus 27. So first of all we will write 50 in Roman form which is written as L. Now to write 27 in Roman form we will write 2x and then add 7 to it. So this is 27. Now 50 minus 27 is how much? 10 minus 7, 3. We are left with 4. 4 minus 2 is 23. That means our answer is 23. So we have to write 23 in Roman form which is we will write 2x and then add 3 to it. So this is 23. Okay students, now let us see question number 1 given on page number 20 of your book. Convert the following Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numerals. Now this is 15, that is we can write 15 as 10 plus 5. So we will write x for 10 and v for 5. So xv. Now to write 49, first of all we have to subtract 10 from 50, that is L, and then we will write x on the left hand side because we are subtracting 10 from L. So this will be 40 and then add 9 to it. So this will be 49. To write 103 we will write 100 and then add 3 to it. So this will be 100 and then 3. CIII. So this is the Roman numeral for 103. Students, now let us see question number 2. Convert the following Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numbers. Now you are given the Roman numerals, you have to write their corresponding Hindu Arabic numbers. Now A part is XIV. Now this is 10 and this is 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Now this is LXII. See, X is written on the right hand side of L. So we will add 10 to 50 because L is 50. So 50 plus 10 is 60 and 60 plus 2 is 62. Okay students, now this is C part, XCVIII. So X is written on the left hand side of C, that is 100 minus 10, that is 90. So 90 and this is 8, so 90 plus 8 is 90. Students, with this we have come to the conclusion of our chapter number 2, that is Roman numerals. I hope you understood well and take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.